Whoa! Almost lost my sunglasses there. Okay, yeah, beach day, yeah?
Yes.
Woohoo! We're ready. We're excited. Are you excited? I am excited.
Sage.
And we have Sage. Sage is coming. Okay, we've got equipment. We need these 3 bags. Okay, camera equipment, DSLR, Hero Max. I should fill up this water bottle quickly. Hey, we just left 7 minutes away. So we are here, we've made it to the beach, and the sun is finally broken through the clouds, and it looks absolutely amazing. We got some incredible drone shots that we are super excited to share with you guys. So Kingston is over here digging a hole. I got my girl with me and my amazing father. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe. It's the owner operator of PinStopShop here with the crew and the family. We're at the beach. Love you guys. Peace.